Hence, I have decided to make this video in our balcony. All are enjoying the day. Today I came with a story, which is also a short story like the previous one. The title of the story was Peace of Mind. Once Buddha was walking one town to another town with his few followers. This was in the initial days. While they were traveling, they happened to pass a lake. They stopped. Buddha said one of his disciples, "I am very thirsty. Do get me some water from that lake." The disciple walked up to the lake, and when he reached it, he noticed some people washing their clothes in the water. Right at the moment, a bullock cart started crossing through the lake. As a result, the water is very muddy, very turbid. The disciple thought, "How can I give this water to Buddha to drink?" He go back and said to Buddha, "The water is very muddy. I did not think this is fit to drink." After about half an hour, again Buddha said to the same disciple to go back to the lake and get him some water to drink. The disciple obediently go back to the lake. This time he found the lake is absolutely clean water in it. The mud is settled down. So he collected some water in the pot and brought it to Buddha. Buddha looked at the water and then he looked at the disciple and said, "See, what did you do to clean the water? You let it be, and the mud is settled down on its own, and you got clear water. Your mind is also like that. When it is disturbed, just let it be. Give a little time. It will be settled down on its own. You cannot have to put it effort to calm it down. It is happen. It is effortless." Guys, you all are enjoyed the story and understood the hidden message. Thank you. Have a nice Sunday.